Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand not just how to do it, but why it can help your browser run smoother, or why you might want to turn it off if you're troubleshooting. With just a few easy steps, you'll be in complete control of this important setting. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. You'll want to do this on the device where you're experiencing performance issues or where you want to tweak your settings. Now, once Chrome is open and you're on the main screen, take a look in the top right corner. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu. Click on those 3 dots. Don't worry if your Chrome looks a little different from mine. This menu icon is always in the same place, right up in the corner. After clicking, a drop-down will appear with a bunch of options. You'll want to select Settings. It's usually near the bottom of this list. This will open up a new tab where all the behind-the-scenes settings for Chrome live. If you ever feel a little lost in the settings screen, just remember that most things are laid out clearly, and you can use the search bar at the top if you need to quickly jump to something specific. Next, from here, scroll down or look to the left sidebar for the section labeled System. Depending on your Chrome version, this could be tucked away a bit, sometimes under Advanced Settings. So, if you don't see System right away, just expand Advanced and you'll find it sitting there. Go ahead and click System. Now, here's where you'll find the option we're after. Use hardware acceleration when available. Hardware acceleration basically means Chrome will try to use your computer's graphics card to speed up video playback, animations, and other graphic-heavy tasks. It's like letting Chrome borrow a high-powered engine when browsing for better performance. Sometimes, though, this can cause issues like glitches, unexpected crashes, or things not displaying quite right, especially if your graphics drivers are outdated or incompatible. So, let's look at the switch next to Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If it's blue, that means it's already enabled. If it's gray, it's currently turned off. If you want to disable it, maybe you've been having trouble watching videos, or certain websites aren't loading properly. Just click the toggle switch to turn it off. Now, here's a crucial step. You need to click the Relaunch button that shows up after you toggle the setting. This restarts Chrome and applies your change. Don't worry, it might close all your tabs for a moment, but they should come right back when Chrome reopens. If you've got important work open, save it before you hit relaunch just to be safe. And if later you decide you want to enable hardware acceleration again, all you need to do is go back through the same process. Open the menu, head to Settings, click System, and flip the toggle back on. Again, don't forget to hit relaunch to make sure your changes are applied. And that's all there is to it. With just a couple of clicks, you can enable or disable hardware acceleration in Chrome whenever you need to tweak your browsing experience. If you have any questions or if something doesn't look quite like what you see in this video, please drop a comment below. I check them regularly and love helping out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy, practical tech how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.